Guys, welcome back, a new video. Today, sorry for my English, but it isn't very good. Today I will explain you about Windows Auto in iPhone. Yes, it is possible. You need only a simple application and 5 minutes to install that to install Windows Auto on your iPhone 5 and iPhone 5S. Okay, let's start. Unplug the phone, okay. Allora, for first thing, you have to open Safari. And you have to go on, yes, okay, on this site web. Okay. Now, it is changing, yes, okay, okay.
Mamma, mio fratello fa la cacca sul divano!